If you're stuck choosing between Arlo and Ring, here's the real difference nobody talks about. After testing both, I found that Arlo is all about premium camera quality, while Ring is focused on building a complete home security system. If video quality is your top priority, Arlo wins. Some Arlo cameras shoot in 4K, which means you can read license plates, zoom in on details, and identify faces much more clearly than Ring's typical 1080p video. Arlo is also better if you use different smart home platforms because it works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. But Ring shines in overall home protection. Beyond cameras, you get door sensors, glass break detectors, smoke alarms, and even professional monitoring options. If you're already using Amazon Echo devices, the integration is seamless. Another big advantage? Cost. Ring's subscription plans are generally cheaper, especially if you have multiple cameras, and its motion alerts tend to arrive faster with less delay. So, is it worth your money? Choose Arlo if you want the best possible video quality and don't mind paying a premium. Choose Ring if you want a complete, affordable home security ecosystem with lower monthly costs. For most homeowners, Ring is the better overall value. But for camera enthusiasts, Arlo is hard to beat.